Need help with your upcoming move in Dublin, Ohio? Full-service movers handle everything, from carefully packing your belongings and disassembling furniture, to transporting, unloading, and even setting things up in your new home. It's perfect for busy professionals, families, or anyone who just wants a hassle-free move. Let's quickly weigh the pros and cons. Pros: stress-free moving experience, no heavy lifting or disassembly, safer handling of valuables, all-in-one solution from start to finish. Cons: higher cost than basic movers, but worth it for the convenience and peace of mind. Our professional team in Dublin takes care of everything. We're trained to handle delicate items, heavy furniture, and even complex setups like electronics and home theaters. Small local moves in Dublin usually take just a day or two. Larger homes or long-distance relocations could take up to a week, but we make sure every step is efficient and organized. When choosing a mover, watch out for red flags. Extremely low quotes? That could be a scam. You want professionals who are licensed, insured, and trusted by real customers. Get started with a free no-obligation quote today. Call us or fill out our online form to book your full-service move in Dublin, Ohio. Let 3 movers take the weight off your shoulders. For a safe, fast, and professional moving experience in Dublin, we've got your back.